So inside our movie preview component, I have already copied this model that we will use to update our movie, so we don't have to waste time copying this out. And it is practically the same, we just have to define this update movie method, but everything else is the same as we have in sidebar. With the only difference that we are taking, instead of form, we have this movie, and this movie we are taking from our store with this getMovieById getter. So let's just define update movie method, and then here I just want to dispatch an action, and this will be update movie, and we have to send this updated movie object here. And yeah, that's about it. So then inside movies, well, we have to define a couple of new things. So let's start by changing this to update movie. And now when I see this, I wonder how this even worked. But anyways, so update movie, here we have to add another mutation. So update movie, and instead of splicing, well, I want to map all movies here, and if this is the updated movie, well, I want to set this to be a new movie inside this array, and if it is not the updated movie, well, I just want to return the movie as it is. So here we will receive movie actually, and then we can map here. So we have movie, but let's actually call it old movie, because this movie name is taken here. So then inside, I want to check if movie.id is equals to oldmovie.id. So in this case, I want to return this movie that we received with updated properties, and in other case, well, I want to return this old movie, which is unchanged. So now if we save and we go back to our browser, let's refresh, and well, our edit is not working because, well, we actually have to, inside our movie preview, we have to hook this show model equals to true. So now if we click, our edit still doesn't work for some reason, and that is because show model, and here, well, we are missing show model, which is false initially. So well, now third try, well, it works, and we can see that we already have these data pre-filled. So let's change, for example, 2 here, and you can also see that it changes automatically here. So if we actually save, so let's close and let's go to our home page, we have this updated state. So let's also change something else here. Let's change this year to something absurd, and if you go here, well, the year has changed. But then again, we have the same pitfall of this application. Nothing is persistent. If we refresh the page, everything will be lost. And let's also, when we save, let's also close down this model. So when we update, let's also have this same thing here. So now if we edit, if we save, it is closed. Well, maybe we don't want to, never mind. So this dot show model equals to false. That's actually what I want to do. So if we edit, if we save, it just closes down. Okay.